In this video, we'll show you how to install a GFCI outlet box on an automatic transfer switch. Begin by removing the dead front covers from the automatic transfer switch and set them aside for reinstallation later. Remove a 1/2-inch knockout from the automatic transfer switch enclosure. Next, punch out the selected 1/2-inch knockout on the GFCI outlet box. Install the 1/2-inch offset nipple into the GFCI outlet box and secure it using the lock nut. Feed the wires through the offset nipple. Continue routing the wires into the automatic transfer switch. Secure the offset nipple to the automatic transfer switch using the second lock nut. Tighten both lock nuts securely to ensure a solid mechanical connection. Secure the GFCI outlet box to the mounting surface. Install the outlet box cover and tighten the mounting screws. Connect the green ground wire from the GFCI outlet box to the grounding bar inside the automatic transfer switch. Disconnect the original black hot wire from the normal power L1 terminal. Connect the black hot wire from the GFCI outlet box to the normal power L1 terminal. Reconnect the original black hot wire from the normal power L1 terminal. Disconnect the original white neutral wire from the normal power N terminal. Connect the white neutral wire from the GFCI outlet box to the normal power N terminal. Reconnect the wired white neutral wire to the normal power N terminal. Reinstall the dead front covers and secure them in place. Once installation is complete, test the GFCI outlet by pressing the test button, then press reset to restore the power and verify proper operation. The GFCI outlet box installation is now complete. Thank you for watching. For more videos and tutorials, please follow us at Nature's Generator.